Here are some useful tips for using paper and mobile tickets on public transport in Budapest. On the metro network, before you start your trip, use a validating machine at the entrance to the station. If you go beyond this point and enter the paying zone without a validated unexpired ticket, you will have to pay a penalty fare. Keep your paper ticket handy until you've left your final station. Please put your paper ticket into the opening on the front of the validator until you hear the successful validation sound. Validating machines stamp the starting time of your trip onto the ticket. If the machine is not working properly, please use another one nearby. If you're using a mobile ticket, you should scan the QR validation code found on the validating machine. An animated graphic will appear after successful validation. Single tickets allow transfers between metro lines if travelling in one direction, but not for the return trips. On trams, buses, trolleybuses, suburban railway trains, paper tickets are valid for one ride on one vehicle without transfers. Digital time-based tickets, however, allow an unlimited number of trips while valid, but you need to scan the validation code each time you make a transfer. On street-level transport, when you use a mobile ticket, scan the validation code displayed outside the vehicle next to the door as you board. As a last resort, you can use the code on board. An animated graphic will appear which confirms the validation has been successful. On services where you get on through the front door, please show this animated graphic to the driver to prove that your ticket is valid for the ride. If you are using a paper ticket, please validate it by punching or stamping it immediately after you board. The handle of the older punching machines installed on some trams and all suburban railway trains needs to be pulled towards you after putting it in the machine. Please check if the stamping or punching was successful. Keep your validated ticket handy until the end of your journey. Please show and hand over your ticket if requested by an inspector. If you're using a mobile ticket, select the Present Code to Inspector function. You can get your ticket from one of the following places: the Budapest Go app for mobile tickets, or from any public transport customer service centre, ticket vending machine, ticket office, or many other sellers.